Hello guys, welcome to my channel again, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to factory reset your Motorola G7 or G7 Power. Those two devices are pretty much the same equipment. They look slightly different, but they are the same device, they work the same, and the master reset is the same way. So what you will need to do is you will need to power off the device by holding the power button. Once the phone is completely turned off, you want to press the power and the volume down key at the same time. You want to keep holding until the phone powers on and it takes you to the recovery screen. So here what you need to do is you need to press the volume down key until you get to the recovery mode. Then you want to press the power key to confirm it. It'll take a second until it loads an Android logo. When this comes up, what you'll need to do is press the power, then press the volume up key at the same time. If that don't work, press and hold on the power, then the volume up key. Just keep trying until it comes up. Here you go. This is the recovery screen. You want to use the volume down key to navigate. You want to scroll down where it says wipe data factory reset. You want to press the power key. Down to yes, power key again. Here's giving you a couple options. You want to use the last one on the bottom, then you want to press the power key to confirm. It's going to take about 10-15 seconds to wipe the phone off, and it's going to be back to factory settings. Once that is done, you want to press the power key so you can reboot your device or restart it, which is the very first option on the top. So press the power key and the phone will restart and is back to factory settings. If you find this tutorial helpful to you, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more videos, and thank you guys for watching.